Hello and welcome back to Roy's the Boy. Now then, yesterday I went to a boot sale. Now in different countries you call it flea markets, and I picked up a sovereign hedge trimmer and a sovereign chainsaw. Neither of them had any fuel inside it, so I couldn't start them. So I took a chance. I got them at quite a cheap, reasonable price, just to move them on. So let's go and stick some fuel in and just see if they fire up at all. Okay, this is the sovereign chainsaw. It looks like it could do replacing or sharpening up or whatever. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the spark plug off, really, stick some fuel in the top just to see if it sparks up at all. When I pulled it, it did feel like it had compression. We'll see if there's oh, little spider, get off. What I might do first really, I was going to check if there's any spark, but since I'm going to do it, just stick some fuel in and see what happens. Alright, okay, let's take this spark plug off. Looks tight. See what spark plug this has got on it. This is a NHSP LD. Never heard of it before. Okay, it does look reasonably clean in it. So all we're going to do, I'm just going to tip some fuel in there. Just give it a little pour. Don't want too much in it. That's it. We'll see how that goes. Okay, just tighten this up. Put that on. Right, I'm going to put the cover back on, just in case the let's make sure that fits on properly. It doesn't seem too good in there. Right. Nice to have a look at that. Right. Okay, let's put this on choke. Switch it on. And like I say, all I want to do is just to see if it fires. Well, that one fired up very easy. So I think all that really is going to need, hopefully, is just a service, clean up, and that one should be alright. So let's go and have a look at the edge trimmer. Okay, this is the sovereign edge trimmer. It does have the guard with it, which is very unusual. Let's see if these blades move. Yeah, the blades are moving, which is good. They do look reasonably sharp, as it happens. Let's have a look. They do look pretty in good condition. Just like I said, once again, it needs a service. So what we'll do is we'll do the same with the edge trimmer. We'll just stick some fuel in it. Right, I'll take all this off, stick the fuel in, and come back when it's fired up. Okay, right, I've put some fuel into the spark plug where it goes inside it. Switching this off, it's on choke, so let's just give it a couple of pulls just to see if it starts by itself. Well, well, I am absolutely happy on that one. You saw how easy, really, that was. 3 or 4 pulls I think that was on that, with just a little bit of fuel inside the spark plug. It does have its issues. It's got a couple of bolts here, and it's got a cable tie holding that off, because that there is meant to be, it's probably broke No, it ain't broke. What it is some bolts missing from there, and that's just holding that casing together. So I'm sure I've got some bolts in that will fit that. I have got spares for other machines. So once again, I think all that is going to need is a good clean up and a good service. It is a bit of a tatty one. Nice, I'm happy. So there you saw it. 2 machines, very cheap, and started on really reasonable pulls. So just goes to show I take chances when I buy these second-hand machines. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. I did buy a Ryobi a few weeks ago, but to me it felt like it had compression, and as a friend of mine on another channel, Mixed Mowers, he said to me, get myself a compression tester, which I have ordered. Even though I thought it had compression, it didn't. Now these ones, once again, I thought they had compression, and they do, and they started up even with dirty second-hand spark plugs as well. So nice one. Anyway, so if you like this little video, please don't forget to subscribe, give us a little thumbs up, and hit that little notification bell, and then you'll see when I'll do these 2 machines serviced up and get them ready to move on. Until next time, cheerio.